Watching sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
How's the life as a YouTuber?
Hard.
Easy.
Easy? How about you do it for a day? Yeah. How about I go to work and Daddy do YouTube?
Easy. Yeah. And I'll do it a lot better than Mummy. Only more views.
Okay.
Daddy's so creative.
Okay, it's on. It's on.